Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF document in Notion. Now there's two ways how to actually do this. Both you want to use the word forward slash, and both of them you want to go ahead and use embed. So let me show you. So you want to enter the slash there and type in the word embed, and you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find PDF. Now let me go ahead and find that in the list here. And once you find the PDF, it is super easy to actually embed the PDF document in Notion. So where is it? And here's a PDF. So go ahead and click on PDF right here. And as you can see, it basically gives you two options. You can embed the link by clicking on embed, and this is basically if you have the document stored in, for example, your Google Drive or something like that, which I do. You can go ahead and you can quickly add that link there to the document and simple click embed. Now once you embed that, the cool thing about this is that you're actually able to view the document right from within the Notion view here. So as you can see, I can view it and I can even resize it if I want to, and that's super cool. So this is how you can actually embed the document, and that's really nice, right? Have a look at that. Very easy and very simple. Now next way, as I said, you want to go ahead and embed it again by simple typing the word embed, and this time you want to do the same. You can even do embed basically, right? And once you type the word embed, you can do Google Maps, you can do PDFs and so forth. Once it pops up, just go ahead and go to the upload section, and here you can just drag and drop, or you can just choose a file by clicking on choose file. You want to go ahead and find the document on your computer, so I'm going to do that. Select document and click and open right there. Now you can see that it's actually loading the document as well. At times it will fail, so if it fails, then I recommend just using the workaround by uploading the document to your Google Drive if you have one. And once you do that, you can quickly embed the document. But this is it, very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and, let's say, add a PDF document in Notion, or embed your PDF documents right into Notion. And as you can see, both views are actually working, both methods are working, and you can easily access and view your PDF document. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.